Namaskar, friends. This is the age of social media, and people are spending a lot of time on social media watching others' stories, others' pictures, and messages. And there's a general complaint that all these people are showing off themselves, they are portraying something which they are not. I just want to think in a different way. They may be portraying their success. They may be sharing their happy moments. They may want to inform people that good things are happening in their life. My suggestion is, from what standpoint are you observing? Are you observing from the standpoint of jealousy? From the standpoint of ignorance? From the standpoint of envy, anger? What is your standpoint of you witnessing these social media messages? Can we fine tune ourselves? Can we bring in this thought that all these people are portraying their success stories? They want to share their success. They want to inform the happiness which they are going through. And once that fine tuning happens, I'm sure we will view it in a better light. And maybe you will call them and then appreciate what they are going through. So, a simple fine tuning, but it will give you a lot of peace. Let us be happy for others' success. Let us be joyful when others are going through enjoyable moments in life. And once you are happy for others' happiness, you cannot be unhappy. That's my call to you. I know it's not easy. Therefore, next time when you see a social media post, what's your thought process? How are you processing? Is it your jealousy? Is it your anger? Is it ignorance? You may not even know what's happening in their life, and then we make a comment. See, they're all showing off. Let's be watchful, friends. Let's view it from a nobler perspective. Let's view it from a larger perspective. They may be sharing their success. They may be wanting to know people, wanting to inform people that happy things are happening in their life. So let's view it in a better way, and you will see the difference. You will be more peaceful and you will be happy for others' success. Think about it.